Every time I hear this groove, it makes me want to move. What's the feeling it brings to you? It makes you do what you do. Every time I hear this groove, it makes me want to move. What's the feeling it brings to you? It makes you do what you do.
Let's learn this groove. It's choreographed by Lee Hamilton, Tim Johnson, and Jean-Pierre. Madge, it is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn this groove. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do right and left diagonal step touches. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal, touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot forward into the left diagonal, touch your right next to your left. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 9 o'clock and touch your left next to your right. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your diagonal step touches. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to walk forward with a kick and back with a touch. So you're going to step forward, right, left, right, and then you're going to kick your left foot forward. We're now going to walk back, left, right, left, and you're going to touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your walk. 1, 2, 3, kick 4, 5, 6, 7, touch 8. Section 3, we're going to step forward with our right foot, and as we step forward, we're going to bump our right hip forward. You're now going to bump your hips back, putting weight onto your left foot. Bump your right hip forward, putting your weight onto your right, and then we're gonna make a quarter turn over our right shoulder as we hitch our left knee up to face 9 o'clock. We're now gonna step our left foot to the left side, and as we step to the left, you're gonna bump your hip to the left. You're gonna put your weight onto your right, bump your hip to your right, put your weight on your left and bump your hip to your left, and then touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping forward and doing your hip bump. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a grapevine to the right. So you're going to step your right foot to the side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to do a rolling grapevine. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. And then you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 9 o'clock, and then touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts, doing your grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. After that, you will start with your step touches again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your diagonal step touch. So it's step forward, right diagonal touch, step forward, left diagonal touch, quarter turn, touch, quarter turn, forward touch, walk right, left, right, kick, back, 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 touch, step forward, bump your hip forward, back, forward, quarter turn, hitch, step left bump, right bump, left bump, touch, grapevine to the right, rolling grapevine to the left. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your step touches. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your diagonal touch. So it's right diagonal touch, left diagonal touch, quarter side touch, quarter forward touch. Walk with a kick, walk back with a touch, step forward, bump your hip forward, back, forward, quarter hitch, bump left, touch, grapevine to the right, rolling grapevine to the left, diagonal touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Diagonal touch, quarter side touch, quarter forward touch. Walk with a kick, back with a touch, step forward, bump forward, back, forward, quarter hitch, bump left, touch, grapevine with a touch, rolling grapevine with a touch, your diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn this groove. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Every time I hear this groove, it makes me wanna move. I still feeling it brings to you and makes you do what you do. Every time I hear this groove, it makes me wanna move. I still feeling it brings to you and makes you do what you do. 2, 1.